Sure. Yeah. Recording has been started. So as I mentioned, uh, in case if you have any of the doubts around some of the operators as well around some of the uh, strings or building the search strings for the various requirements. So please do share, and I'll be happy to help you out. And then initial 1 hour will basically keep on the open discussion. What are the questions you can ask? Um, and then we'll take it from there. Maybe next 1 hour from 7 to 8, we'll go for a slide share and a script sourcing, direct and indirect. So yeah, if someone
Uh,
wants to take it up.
Shiv, one question. You shared on our group one string to find out the startups. So
Hmm.
I tried, but I mean the string you have used, you have shared. It is. I mean, I'm not getting profile, so I'm not getting company name. So
Let me just come back.
okay.
So,
Shiv,
hmm.
after this, I need your help. So basically, if we want to hire any backend engineer, how do we source them? I mean, if we talk about not using titles, not using any of the languages, is there any scope to find backend engineers
Yeah,
without using the titles and everything?
yeah, there is. Okay, so I believe like some of this string only somewhere around I pinged this thing, but otherwise, let me just come back to WhatsApp.
No, but because the thing is, since we are hiring for Google backend engineer, each and every candidate that I am coming across has either applied or being rejected. So it's really hard to find people who have not yet applied to Google. So
Got it. See, Google database itself is such huge.
yes, yes,
Similarly, it was with Amazon also.
yeah.
So,
So please help me out with some other ideas or techniques, because I have been using not and negating the skills. Like if I have used Python, I'm just negating it because people basically won't use Python or Golang or Java, each and every skill.
got it.
Yeah,
Yeah, no worries.
great.
Yeah, absolutely. Where is my strings? So these are the Ruby ones, distributed Ruby. So yeah, quite sometimes I mentioned whenever we are using, whenever we are building some of the lengthy strings, I would definitely suggest go for a notepad, because a format of a notepad and a format of a word is slightly different when it comes to the some of the operators. Like if you see double quotes, this operators over here, this is the format which LinkedIn, Google, or most of the portal supports. But wherein in Word, if you go and put this particular format, this would look like this one. So which is a non-supported version. And when the strings become lengthier, then sometimes it stops crashing. Also, sometimes if you save some of the searches, you might experience some of the searches has been stopped showing the result or stopped uh, or started crashing. And that's where this double quotes has to be corrected. And the correct format of the double quote is there in the notepad. So yeah, last time which I shared, I think this is the one. So here is the, so is this, so is this too small on my screen for you to view this notepad?
Yes, Shiv.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, how is it?
It's better.
Okay, let me see. Otherwise, that's how the notepad is. But okay, yeah, this is the string which I've pinged last time in the group. Site linkedin.com/company and then /startup. Then people who would have raised the Series A funding or Series B funding, Series C, D, E, F, G till H series, and which has around 10 to 5,000 employees, and then maybe a location, So this, I was trying to help some of the people in my organization. So let's say Hyderabad or Bangalore. Mumbai. Gurgaon. Then star represents fill in the blanks. Then I'll just take this part also. So, take the string. Now is it fine? Okay, so this was a string. Let me just. So with this string only, you were not able to find results. Someone was asking me here.
Yes, yes, sure, yes, sure.
So where were you giving these strings? Were you giving these strings in a Google or in a directly in a link?
Google.
So here you have it.
Okay. It is showing 32 keywords actually exceeding.
Got it. The string has been become very lengthy. So let's say, let's start with Hyderabad. We have exhausted that, what we say, limitation of string. Let's say we'll go to Hyderabad.
So Shiv, you mean to say that not more than 32 words are to be used in a string, correct?
Yeah.
All right.
So
So
we can use it, but
got
what
it, got it.
happens is when we use it, if it is like more than 32 now, it start ignoring some of the keywords with lesser number of results. The order is
Exactly.
the order of ignorance is with the particular result which has a lesser number of keywords.
All right. Got it. Got it. Perfect.
Let me just remove. Okay, so now if you see, these are all the list of startups based out of Hyderabad. We have not done anything, a very simple search. When we look at individual profile pattern, means basically LinkedIn company pages. Now, if I just open this particular thing, let me just refresh. Okay, so this is one of a LinkedIn company page. Otherwise, if I say T-Hub or Startup Weekend or Startup Green, these are all the LinkedIn company pages. So how does the URL pattern of a company page would look like? Generally, when we see for individual profiles, URL pattern would look like linkedin.com/in, then / first name hyphen last name, and then alphanumeric. Similarly, for the company pages also, there is a format for the LinkedIn. So that's a linkedin.com / company and / startup. Let's say if I go to Amazon, I just go to Amazon company page. So how does that look like? linkedin.com / company / Amazon. If I similarly go to Google or any other company, so what's happening till company, it's remaining constant, and after company, whatever the keyword is there, that keeps changing based on the company to company what we are viewing. So if this is of Apple, So similarly, we have taken the use case of the URL pattern first, and second, a use case of the location, and then followers. So as we see, every company page, let me open some of the company pages. It could be a startup company page, or it could be a big tech company page. So how does the company page looks like? A URL is something, linkedin.com/company/company name. And then industry of the company over here, whether it is a consumer electronics or anything. And then after the industry, we have a location from based out of which location that company headquarters is. And then we have X numbers. It could be varying from company to company based on the followers, people following that particular company. And then the word followers. So what is a constant term? What I'm looking over here is linkedin.com/company and the word followers. So that's reason now we are taking a use of these two different pattern and building our search string. So let's say we just go linkedin.com/company. Okay, so this is the one use case. And now even here also, if you see, every company page is linkedin.com/company company/Google/. Similarly, linkedin.com/company/Amazon, linkedin.com/company/Microsoft. So using those things, we just built our first string, that is site linkedin.com/company, to make sure that we're getting a list of results which are actually not individual profile, but the company profiles on a LinkedIn. Now, second thing, I would need a location. Maybe I would need from Hyderabad or Bangalore or whichever. Basically, those companies' headquarters has in that particular location. That's the reason we're taking a second use case of, let's say, Hyderabad. Now, here we have a location. After the location, we have a dot. After the dot, we have a number of followers. I don't know. Means basically that behavior is based on the number of people following that company. So we have these many followers. Let's say 14,261. Sorry, unit 1,42,61,868 followers. Let me just start following. So it becomes 69. Some of you can follow Microsoft. Just go to LinkedIn and follow Microsoft if you're not following. So if I unfollow, it becomes 68. If I follow, immediately it becomes 69. So amazing operational performance. All right. And then these followers in every company is a constant. So location, industry, location, number of followers. This number of followers is not constant, but a word follower is a constant. Here also word follower is constant. Here also word followers is a constant. So what I'll do, I'll just take a use of these three terms. Then we just come here, paste it, put it in the quotes. And now this part will make it star. As we know, star is nothing but the fill in the blanks, which could be filled with any of the keywords. Could be a number, could be a keyword, could be a special character, it could be anything. But in this case, we might get a number of followers for that particular company. Then let's remove this. I'll say Hyderabad. Our first search. Second, what we'll observe, once I go to the company page, let's say here I have an industry. Similarly, I might want to give, let's see, I want something fintech startup. Fintech star Hyderabad star follower. Okay. So yeah, fintech studies, Carvi Fintech, FinCrush. We have not given a word startup yet. So we have some of the companies related to fintech, or maybe I'll say medtech. Medtech, we do not have anything. Medtech. Okay, there might be some. Let's open some of the profiles. And understand the format. So the format has to be site linkedin.com, all the pages from the LinkedIn, and this format med-tech, this star could be anything. It could be dot, it could be comma, it could be some second word, but after that particular 1-2 words, I need a Hyderabad as a location. Then this star could be a dot or maybe a number of followers. It could be anything. Again, another fill in the blanks. But the format after that particular set of number of words or number of keywords in between over here, I need a word followers. And both the things we have given in a double quotes. So now we have come here. So med. So it has not taken as it is a medtech. As I mentioned in earlier session, Google has become smart now. Earlier we used to give tilde and a particular keyword so that it used to take a similar set of keywords. But now Google algorithm has become a little smart. What are the words we search? It might also take the synonyms or some related words to that. We don't really have to type medical or all the related medtech words. Just the medtech is enough. So that's where it comes medical, and this could be representing, that star could be representing anything. Then Hyderabad, then this Telangana 52 followers could be representing that star, could be anything. And then the followers. First use case, linkedin.com/company/ some name. We did not targeted this part. We just targeted this part. After targeting this part, second command, what we gave, we targeted this part. We gave a industry, star, location, star, followers. Here also medical device, Hyderabad, and then followers. So defense, why does defense came? So here somewhere medtech, and after that again that particular star, Hyderabad, and then followers. Medical device, and then we have this list of companies, medical device, information technology, Prima Medical Technologies. So again, this might have, they have recently changed it. The reason because earlier they might have mentioned medical devices or something like that, medtech startup, but wherein later on they changed it to IT. And still Google remembers from its previous database. That's reason you might see some results which are not aligned with the keywords what we searched for, but overall if you see, they are still aligned. Medical device, and then information technology, like this. So this is again a medtech startup only, maybe later on they changed it. Okay, so this one. Now let's say if I go to about, so linkedin.com/company, and then here we have something about the company, number of employees over here, 2 to 10 employees. Then again we came to about, then we have 500 to 200 employees. Now we came here, again we went to about, so 1,000 to 5,000 employees, about 2 to 10 employees. So now what we're trying to find over here, another set of results with the number of employees, and maybe a type or maybe a specialties. These are all we can take in a additional filters. So let's say I'll ignore the industry for now. Otherwise, let's keep it medtech. Medtech followers. After coming here, even if I come to about page, this part is still not changing. It's just that /about it's going. So this could be represented as star. Site linkedin.com/company/star here the company name it was. So we are on about page, and that company page URL pattern changed. Here also, when we went to the about page, a URL pattern changed. So that's the reason we just came here. Let's say site linkedin.com/company/ it could be any name /about. Then again we say this format remains same. So I'll just go with location. Let's say Hyderabad star followers. And then we need a startups. Maybe I need a startup which has minimum 2 and maximum maybe of 50 people. So again, :2 ... 50 number range search. It will search for 2 to 50. We might get disconnected in next 10 minutes. Please relog in using the same login details. Okay, so 2 ... 50. And then here we do not have any other word in between. Every page, if we go 2 ... 10 employees, 1,000 to 5,000 employees, 15 to 200 employees, 2 to 10 employees. So this format is still same. So we just come back. Maybe I'm targeting for some smaller companies. Employees. All right. So we just come here. So is there any mistake? Company about Hyderabad followers. Syntactically, there is no mistake, but why it is not giving? Maybe it's not taking till Hyderabad. Sorry, from the about session. Let's say we'll just go with this one. Now we'll come back again, maybe a smaller companies. Now we got the list of results. So though we have not gone to the /about, we just gone till the company, but as we have given 2 ... 50 employees within that particular codes, we got the list of all the results. Now let's see for which pages it's redirecting. Is it redirecting us to home page, or is it redirecting us to about page? Though we have not used about here, but what are the results we got it? Let's see those results has been redirected to home page or about page. If it is redirected directly to the about page, then that's the smartness of Google. It has directly gone to the about page because of this 2 ... 50 employees. That particular string is on about page, not on a home page. So everywhere, if you see, we have those many number of. Okay, it came to home. So may not be, but once I come to about, so that's maximum 50 employees. I'll come to about. Here we have 5,000. That's one false positive. Here directly came to about 50. Here again maximum 50. Here again 50. Here again 50. So maybe one false positive. Okay, one more false positive. Or maybe, as I mentioned, Google does remembers the previous pattern of the pages, and maybe now it has been increased, and that's where it has come. But yeah, I'll just take a pause. Any questions? What about the industry in string? Okay, I'll come back to that.
Shiv, in this case, the company size is 201 to 500 employees. So why we have been targeting to 50? So why there is a gap at this moment in case of Naipur Hyderabad?
Yeah, so there are some false positive result. The reason of this false positive,
Okay.
because Google still remembers the previous pages of those particular web pages. So let's say when the
Okay.
company got started, okay, they were in the
Mhm.
within 50 people only. That time it was 2 to 50 for a longer duration. Then later on they might have
Right.
got funding or something, and they immediately started hiring. And over a period of time, very quickly that employee base went up.
Okay.
Okay, or maybe
Got it.
this is
Yeah.
again now this
Mhm.
201 to 500 employees. This is again admin who is making a changes in a backend. It's not a behavior of a LinkedIn. This
All right.
29
Got
on a
it.
LinkedIn is a behavior of a LinkedIn. As soon as employee
LinkedIn.
joins
Right.
and put current company as a LinkedIn, sorry, current company as this
Mhm.
particular company, this 29 would become
Mhm.
30. Another 5 employees join, they update their LinkedIn profile and put this current company as this company, then it will become 35. So this is basically a LinkedIn behavior, LinkedIn data behavior,
Okay.
actual
Right.
LinkedIn data behavior. But wherein this is admin behavior in the backend.
Is a different way, and LinkedIn behavior is a different way.
Exactly.
Basically.
Admin is
Like,
admin is
Shiv,
changing that.
Shiv,
got
can
it.
I?
Perfect. Thank you.
Shiv,
Yeah.
hello. Shiv, the reason can be if you go to top, there are see all 29 employees. So it is catching that instead of company size.
So,
Above follow. Yeah, the line above follow.
yeah.
Upper side. No, not that. Yeah,
Right?
yeah. It is taking. Yeah, it is taking. It is satisfying that condition there.
Maybe it will, yeah, that might be also the case. But otherwise, this is the one case and this is the one case. That might be also the case. Let's say where we got that 5,000 employees now. So only 63. Okay, here we got 5,000. And if you see here, only 2 employees. But they mentioned 1,000 to 500. That's the admin who is mentioning.
Yeah. Means our query work, only it didn't work in the way we believe to work, but it is working. It is not a false positive. It is working as per our criteria.
Actually, Shiv, whatever string we have given, it is
Hmm.
taking the number of employees who are present on LinkedIn and not the company size that the company has defined on LinkedIn.
As Piyush or someone else mentioned, this 2 to 50 employees, it's directly taking it from maybe this, in this case, not satisfying the result. In this case, it's satisfying the result. So somewhere or the other, it's taking the use case of it. So here, if I say 5,000, but again, here it's taking from here. So here or there, somewhere or the other. Otherwise, just best to give, we can do one thing. We can just take this command. Let's see now. So let's remove this. So we have another 3 minutes left. So we just give this, right? 2 on LinkedIn now. Similarly, I'll say 2 dot dot only 10. All right. So 10 we don't have. Let's say 50. Will it take? No, it's not taking from there. So 2 dot dot 50. And plus. It's taking it 2 to 50. But yeah, as we see, let me just go to some of the previous results. Old. So it might be taking it from here because there also our condition is satisfying. Or maybe from here. So minimum 2 and maximum 50. 29. And then about here, if you see here, condition is not satisfying. It says 500 employees, but wherein here the condition is satisfying. It says 29 employees. So maybe here and there, it's taking it from. Someone asked, what about the industry in the string? We'll see industry over here. Now we'll come up with the particular example. Okay, human resource. Otherwise, this we are clear, right? From where it's taking 40 employees. So if you see here, it's 40 employees. And then if I go to about, here we have 11 to 50. So I'll just take a pause, 2 employees on a LinkedIn. Let me know if we are clear till here. So 2 to 50 here also 45 employees. So it might be taking either from here or from here, but it definitely meeting our condition. So again here 40 employees. Okay, I'll just take a pause. Any questions on this particular thing? We can include view all 2.10. Where is it? Vinod, where is it? View all.
So it is not exactly here, but it